Welcome to this online Floriday workshop about the offers and the purchase tips. In this video, we explain how you can further specify your offer and how you create even more flexibility. Before you can get started with the customer offer or purchase tip, you must ensure that you have created trade items in your catalog and your delivery terms and conditions have already been completed. If you have not already done so, first watch the videos about the catalog and the delivery conditions. Let's get started. Offers and purchase tips in Floriday make it easy to share special deals with your buyers that are separate from catalog and batch prices. To create an offer, go to Supply in the Floriday menu and then to Direct Sales. At the top of the screen, you can now choose Offers. This is also your overview screen where you will find all your offers. To create a new offer, click on the green Create button and choose Customer Offer. When creating an offer, you can add an attractive title, description, and image to attract attention from customers. If you complete all three, the offer will also appear on the timeline of your network, and this will strengthen your offer. Click on the pencil and fill in the title. Make sure it is clear what you are going to offer. You can provide a brief explanation in the description. Then go to Image. Here you can choose a default image that we have prepared, or you can upload a photo yourself, for example your own logo. After uploading your own photo, you can choose to use this photo as standard when creating new offers by checking the box next to Set as Default Photo for new customer offers. Next is the order and delivery information. Set the validity of the offer by entering the order period. If it is a long-term offer for certain customers, you can even set periods per line when not all items are available at the same time. You do this by clicking on the Period per Line checkbox. The delivery period is the same as the order period by default. If you want the delivery period to differ, check Deviating Delivery Period. You can now select a start date and an end date using the calendar. Next, we'll set who can see the offer. Select specific customers by clicking Add and then using the search bar to select the customer or customers. It is also possible to filter by connections or active customers only. After selecting the customers, click Confirm to add the customers and return to the offer screen. If you want your offer to be found by everyone with the Royal Floor Holland buyer number, choose All Customers and generate more visibility. Then select the dispatch location and add a reference if necessary. Under Supply Type, you can set whether the availability should be a limited quantity or based on availability in the catalog prices. Based on availability means that a match is made with the availability sliders that you have turned on or off in the catalog prices menu. Adjust the currency if necessary. Here you can choose euros or US dollars. We can then choose whether we want to use volume discount prices, which allows you to specify the price per package, layer, and load carrier. If you choose to work without volume discount prices, you can later set the purchase unit per line to prevent the buyer from purchasing too little. By checking or unchecking the boxes for including delivery and including stickering, you can set what services you provide with this offer. Now we're going to add items. Click on Add Items and select the desired items you want to offer. Use the search bar and other filter options to search efficiently. This can be one article, but several can also be selected at the same time. Check the characteristics of the items and adjust them if necessary. Select the correct packing configuration and enter the number of packages you want to offer. Then click on Confirm to return to the Offers screen. You will see that you can adjust the number of packages and that a price must be entered. Under Sales Unit, you can choose in which unit the item can be purchased, per package, per layer, per load carrier, or per full supply line. When everything has been filled in, click Save. Your offer will be visible to the buyer, and if you have used a title, description, and image, the offer will also appear on the timeline of the buyers you selected. If you want to distribute the offer more widely, click on the three dots behind the offer after saving and click on Share Offer/Purchase Tip. You will now see the QR code that you can download and the URL link that you can share via email or WhatsApp, which will lead your contact directly to the offer. Another option in Floriday is the Purchase Tip. The difference between these two is that the purchase tip is only valid for 3 hours and can only be sent to one specific customer. If you want to create one, click on Create and choose Purchasing Tip. As you can see, you don't need to add a title, description, or photo here. So if you want to draw the attention of a specific customer to your short-term offer, use the purchasing tip and share the unique link of the purchasing tip with buyers via email, WhatsApp, or other channels. If you have not yet activated your shop, customers will not be able to access your offer or purchasing tip, so make sure it is activated. You do this by going to My Shop at the bottom of the menu and then clicking on the Activate My Shop button. That brings us to the end of this video. We have shown how to create customer offers and purchase tips and how to properly bring them to the attention of your network. Thanks for watching and good luck using Floriday. Do you have any questions? Do not hesitate to contact our support via the support chat or search for your question in the Help Center.